Hello and welcome to my new video. Since recent events have affected me, I want to share a quick tutorial what you can do if you have a serious fiber optic disruption or an outage, an internet outage with Telekom, and how you should behave or what you can do in that situation. Because it's important. You pay for your Telekom contract, so you want to have your phone and at least your internet. It's especially interesting for people using Magenta television or working from home. You just need internet. Here's how it looks for us. Since Wednesday, I think it was last week, an excavator cut through the main fiber optic cable here in my region or in my part of the village. And since then, nothing has been happening here at all. So I just want to give you a to-do list of everything you can do to A, get your internet back, and B, also get compensation. In the worst case, what's important is after you've noticed the outage, and please do this as quickly as possible, you call Deutsche Telekom either through the fault hotline or the customer service hotline. You'll find the most important numbers below in the video description. Very important. There, an AI voice will probably tell you that your number has a problem because you have to authenticate yourself beforehand, and it will try to brush you off. Please bypass that. Just keep saying you want to speak to a customer service representative and insist on it. Because if you get brushed off, which is also a bit of a trick, you won't be able to properly report the issue anymore. And that way you block a lot of options that you would actually have here. So make sure you really get connected to a customer advisor. Just make it clear to the man or woman that you need the internet, maybe because you have Magenta television or because you have to work from home or whatever else, or whatever reason you need it for, you just need it. Now the customer service representative has the following options for you. First, he can report the issue for you. That's important. The issue should be reported from day one, since only active reporting matters. From that day on, you are entitled to any compensation or to have it deducted from your bill or something similar. I'm not a lawyer, so I can't give exact advice, but that's how it works. That means the report has to be made as quickly as possible. Second point, if there's at least decent long-term evolution or 5G reception in your area where you live, there's the possibility for Telekom to send you a kind of quick starter set. Or if you're a Telekom customer and have a mobile contract with Telekom, there's the option for Telekom to set your mobile contract to unlimited for a certain period, usually 7 days at the beginning or a few days. Of course, that gives you the opportunity to keep surfing the internet using long-term evolution 5G or the mobile network. That way you can keep doing what's most necessary. I mean, I had 1,000 long-term evolution connection here that handled it. You can't fully replace that, but now you have good upload and download speeds so you can work and hold video conferences properly. That's why it's important. Insist on this quick starter kit. There are two options. Telekom can send it to you, but even with Express, it may take 1 to 2 days since it's slower in rural areas. Or you can ask the Telekom advisor you called to leave this quick starter set at a Telekom shop of your choice. Just check Google Maps or similar for the nearest Telekom shop and say, that's my closest shop. And then we can just go there directly, pick up this set and take it home. It's a long-term evolution box. I'll just say you plug it into the socket and everything is basically already set up. You just log in there quickly and boom. You have Wi-Fi at home again, plus you can connect local area network cables in the back so your main devices are covered. And you can basically keep working with the internet as usual, and at least you have internet again. Of course, it's important to report it as quickly as possible and insist on getting these backup solutions if you don't get them or if you don't need them. After the outage ends, it's important to call again and say, yes, we had an outage and I incurred some costs because of it. For example, this is how I do it now. You can set up call forwarding with Telekom. That's easy to do in the telephony center. Just Google it. And there you can directly set up call forwarding from your numbers to your mobile phones. That way, at least your main numbers will reach your mobile phone. However, this forwarding might cost money. You will be reimbursed for these costs, but it's very important once you have set up this forwarding. It's best to have it set up by the technician or rather by the person you just called. Say, I want to have this call forwarding. They will set it up for you. And when the issue is resolved, make sure that on the day everything is working again, you have this call forwarding deactivated by Telekom itself. So call Telekom's number, tell them you want this call forwarding deactivated, and they will deactivate it for you. Review the costs incurred this period so they can credit you. That way you will have gotten this money back as well. Furthermore, Telekom also offers compensation payments, of course. How much they are or what exactly is available, you'll have to check with Telekom yourself. But usually for each day you don't have internet or something like that, you definitely get some kind of credit on your bill or something similar. Or sometimes you also get a small voucher for the Telekom shop. That's it. Those are the most important immediate actions you can take, and I strongly recommend that everyone actually do them. Because if you don't do anything, meaning you don't contact Telekom and you just accept the throttling as it is, and I see that happening here in the area with a lot of people, you will most likely end up empty-handed, meaning you won't get anything back and you just didn't have internet or phone during that period. So I hope I was able to help you out again here. If that's the case, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And do you want to watch more of my videos? Just subscribe to my channel. It's free. Goodbye for now. See you next time. Yours, Mark, on YouTube.